Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade meme coins safely on GMGN AI. To begin, open GMGN AI and make sure you are on the Solana section of the platform. This is the main trading terminal where you can explore meme coins, review market activity, and access different discovery tools. Before moving forward, take a moment to look around the interface so you know where the main navigation is located. Familiarity with the layout can help you avoid mistakes when you are trading in fast-moving markets. Once you are on the main page, look at the top of the screen and click on Trending. This area is useful because it highlights coins that are currently gaining attention. In the meme coin space, trends can move quickly, so this section gives you a starting point for finding active tokens. Keep in mind that just because a coin is trending does not automatically mean it is safe or a good trade. It simply means there is noticeable activity around it. After that, click on Trending again to open the Trending List view. This is where you can see a broader selection of tokens that are currently attracting interest. Take your time here and avoid rushing into a trade. A careful review can help you better understand what is popular on the platform at that moment. This step is especially important if you are trying to reduce risk and make more informed decisions. Next, select a sample coin from the list. Opening a coin page allows you to inspect it more closely before taking any action. This is where you should slow down and review the details available on the token page. Even if a coin looks exciting at first glance, it is always worth checking the information presented before proceeding. In meme coin trading, caution is one of your best tools. When you are ready, click Buy or Sell, depending on the action you want to take, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete your trade. GMGN.AI will guide you through the final steps directly within the platform. Make sure you review the trade details carefully before confirming anything. It is a good habit to double-check the token, the amount, and the direction of the trade so you do not submit an order by accident. That's the basic process for using GMGN.AI to trade meme coins more safely. The key is to move carefully, use the trending section as a discovery tool, inspect the coin page before acting, and always follow the on-screen prompts with attention. With a patient and deliberate approach, you can navigate the platform more confidently.